Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Haven't posted anything for a while. Been really busy, but haven't gotten a lot done. At least with the printers, I've been making a lot of Christmas things. A couple things I found on Thingiverse I really liked. Printed a number of them. One of these little snowmen. They're really interesting to print. I forget the name of the technique, but it's like a wire web. And then towards the end of the print, I go ahead and change the filament to black so that the hat's black on the snowman. My wife says she may try to paint the noses with some orange paint. We'll see how that works out. And I saw these dumpster fires was for 2020, so I really like those. I'm going to have 12 of them pretty quickly. I've got most of the parts done for, well, 6 are all put together. I've got 6 more. I'm printing some more pieces over on these 2 printers. I'm printing orange flames on this one, and the yellow on this one. I already have the red printed over here. But and the other thing I've always had a lot of fun is putting together soldered kits. So I made a lot of these lights in the past 4 or 5 years, Christmas trees that just flash. They're simple little kits and they're fun to do. I get one done in a little over an hour or so. But this is what they look like when they come. Just a bag of parts. And I try to document what parts go where because they don't come with any instructions. So that's what I've been up to. I've got a couple of them done. I sent one out yesterday to somebody in Germany. Anyway, and then this is, I hope, printing the last mount. I thought I had it done, but it shifted layers on me on the previous attempt. So anyway, it's going to go on to Chris and allow me to mount the OmniDrop. So I've got, I think the front, or the, I'm sorry, the axis here, so I can come all the way forward and not hit a lot of this. Well, we're going to see how it works out. I also have some new extrusions. I may lengthen this. I'll have to see how that works out. But that's what I've been up to. I think I'll post a couple of these links to the snowman and the dumpsters. And I found another dumpster on Thingiverse, and it was just really, it was a dumpster. I tried to print it, and this is what it did. It had holes in it. So it just fell apart as I printed it. So I don't recommend that one, but I'll put some links in here. And please leave any questions you have me or comments. Thank you.